And thereof, all in front is taken by Piece of My Wish. From the outside, Pedro Panduco. In between horses, Winking Eye running by the wheel, Show Master Black Label, while Interceptor is running in the tail of the field. Out of straight day trouble, Winking Eye, Pedro Panduco, Piece of My Wish. And 2 lengths back now, Show Master, then followed by Black Label. While Interceptor still running in the tail of the field, into the back they travel. Winking Eye leads by some 2 over. Pedro Panduco in second, Piece of My Wish, Show Master, Black Label, and Interceptor. Nearing the last 600. It is still Winking Eye by a length, Pedro Panduco in second, Piece of My Wish, Show Master, and Black Label. Inside the last 600, it is still Winking Eye leads by some 2 lengths. Pedro Panduco, Piece of My Wish, not the outside, Show Master, Black Label. As they swing for home with Winking Eye leads by some 3 lengths. It's Winking Eye, Show Master, not the outside. Winking Eye, Show Master moves up, not the outside. Winking Eye, Show Master. And finally, Show Master. Winking Eye, Black Label, Piece of My Wish, Pedro Panduco, and Interceptor.
Masyadong mabuti ngayon yung wing.
Ano yung 1-4? 1-2-4.
1-2-4. Bali 1-2.